Have you ever finished a healthy meal of lentils only to feel heavy, bloated, or tired afterwards? Or maybe you've been eating lentils for years thinking you're doing your body a favor, but your energy hasn't improved. Here's the truth. Lentils are one of the most nutrient-packed foods you can eat, but if you prepare or eat them the wrong way, you could be blocking their benefits and even irritating your gut. In today's video, right here on Forever Young Health, we're diving deep into the 7 most common mistakes people make with lentils, why they cause problems, especially as we get older, and exactly how to fix them so you get all the energy, minerals, and digestive benefits lentils have to offer. Before we start, I'd love for you to comment below, tell me where you're watching from and your age. Our community is made up of people from all over the world, and it's inspiring to see how many of us are working on staying healthy and strong together. And if you're here because you care about your health after 50, give this video a quick like. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people just like you. Now let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake number 1, skipping the soaking step. I can't tell you how many people skip this step because lentils cook quickly. And yes, they do. But here's why that shortcut backfires. Lentils contain anti-nutrients like tannins and phytates. Think of them like little shields inside the lentil. They protect the seed in nature, but in your body, they block important minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc from being absorbed. For someone over 50, this is a big deal. Low calcium over time means weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures. Low iron means lower energy, pale skin, and even dizziness. Low zinc can slow down wound healing and weaken your immune system. Lentils also have certain carbohydrates, oligosaccharides, that your stomach can't fully digest on its own. That's why some people complain of bloating, gas, and discomfort after eating them. The fix. Soak your lentils for 8 to 12 hours in warm water with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. This wakes up natural enzymes that break down those anti-nutrients and make the lentils easier to digest. After soaking, rinse them really well before cooking. This step alone can make lentils lighter on your stomach, more nutrient-rich, and much more comfortable to eat, especially if you've avoided them before because of digestive issues. Mistake number 2, forgetting vitamin C. Here's something most people never hear. The iron in lentils is called non-heme iron, and your body struggles to absorb it without help. If you just eat lentils on their own, you might be getting far less iron than you think, and for many people over 50, low iron is already an issue. Symptoms can include feeling tired all the time, shortness of breath with light activity, pale skin, and brittle nails. The fix. Combine lentils with vitamin C, rich foods, tomatoes in your lentil soup, fresh lemon squeezed over your dal, bell peppers in your lentil salad, a side of citrus fruit. Research shows that vitamin C can boost non-heme iron absorption by up to 300%. That's huge. And here's another tip. Avoid coffee or tea for at least an hour after your lentil meal, because they contain compounds that actually block iron absorption. Mistake number 3, reheating lentils. Too many times. Let me ask you, have you ever made a big pot of lentils on Sunday and then just kept reheating it all week? It's a common habit, but here's the problem. Each time you reheat, you lose more nutrients, and you risk bacteria growth if they've been stored incorrectly. Even heat-resistant bacteria can survive if food isn't cooled and refrigerated quickly enough, and repeated heating breaks down delicate nutrients like B vitamins and antioxidants. The fix. Portion your cooked lentils into single servings as soon as they cool down. Store them in airtight containers, and keep them in the fridge or freezer. When you're ready to eat, only reheat what you need. This keeps nutrients intact, reduces the risk of food poisoning, and makes meals faster to prepare later. Mistake number 4, adding processed meats. I know, sausages, ham, bacon, they make lentils taste rich and hearty. But here's the truth. Processed meats are loaded with salt, saturated fat, and preservatives like nitrites, which are linked to heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain cancers. Over 50, your heart health is more important than ever, and lentils are naturally heart healthy. So why undo that by adding something harmful? The fix: swap processed meats for healthier protein like boiled eggs, skinless chicken breast, tofu, nuts or seeds for crunch. And if you're after that savory taste, use caramelized onions, roasted garlic, smoked paprika, or roasted peppers. You'll still get amazing flavor without damaging your heart health. Mistake number 5, using store-bought sauces or seasoning cubes. Bouillon cubes and bottled sauces can be flavor bombs, but they're also loaded with MSG, artificial flavors, and a lot of sodium. For seniors, too much sodium can mean higher blood pressure, swollen ankles, and strain on your kidneys. The fix: use real, whole spices and herbs. Turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits, cumin for warmth and digestion, bay leaves for depth of flavor, garlic and onion for natural savory notes. Your taste buds will adjust, and soon you'll prefer the natural flavors. Mistake number 6, skipping healthy fats and veggies. Lentils on their own are great, but without healthy fats, you can't absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without veggies, you miss out on antioxidants and fiber variety. The fix: add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a few avocado slices, or a spoonful of ground flaxseed. Add colorful veggies like spinach, carrots, tomatoes, zucchini, or bell peppers. This makes your meal more satisfying, keeps your blood sugar steady, and supports your skin, eyes, and heart health. Mistake number 7, eating lentils every day in large amounts. Even healthy foods can be overdone. Too much fiber can cause bloating and gas, and over-reliance on lentils means you miss out on nutrients from other legumes. The fix: enjoy lentils 2 to 3 times a week and rotate with chickpeas, mung beans, kidney beans, or green peas. Each has its own unique nutrients, and variety is one of the best ways to support gut health. Why these mistakes happen? A lot of this comes down to habits and traditions. Maybe your family has always made lentils with sausage, or maybe you've relied on seasoning cubes for years because they're quick. Let's be honest, life is busy. We take shortcuts in the kitchen because we're tired, hungry, or in a rush. But these shortcuts can quietly chip away at the health benefits of even the best foods. The good news? You don't have to give up lentils. You just need to prepare them in a way that works with your body, not against it. How to eat lentils the right way. Soak them with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Season naturally with whole herbs and spices. Pair with vitamin C to boost iron absorption. Add healthy fats to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Mix in colorful veggies for antioxidants and fiber. Store and reheat safely in small portions. Rotate with other legumes for variety and balance. If you've learned something new today, hit that like button. It really helps us reach more people. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite lentil recipe? Your tip could inspire someone else. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our weekly tips on eating well and staying strong after 50. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before making changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay active.